Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. For all of those who are new around here, make sure to subscribe to be notified for new upcoming content. Today we are going to prepare a deliciously irresistible vegan chocolate brownie. It will take us tops 40 minutes to prepare it. If you like the content guys, give us those thumbs up and now let's get started. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to share neither the recipe or the brownie. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below and see you next time. Cheers!